Rommel's tactics were unpredictable and reckless, but even the Allies claimed to admire him. They seemed to want him to be seen as a formidable opponent. I still don't know whether that was an excuse for their losses or to amplify their glory when they finally defeated him.
Tobruk has seen some change in the 6 months since we were here. And it is about to see some more. The city will be ours by noon. First things first, we capture this depot and establish a forward base.
Get us moving!
Enemy troopers are pushing the line! Infantry squad down! Engage on sight! Forward! Double time! Marching! Retain! You need a wire from Caesar!
Enemy troopers! Small!
Shit, me!
Moving into combat!
Jawohl! Orders!
Under fire! Fucking infantry! Later! Fucking fire! Motion is anchored! Infantry target destroyed!
Enemy infantry killed! Fix it! No excuses! Panzer Grenadiers closing distance! Advancing through! Fire! Move!
Attention! Just like the Nürburgring, eh?
Got over! What do you need? Move! Grab your gear! Move! Commander! Panzer Grenadiers ready! Enemy troops
Good.
taken care of!
This will serve as a perfect staging ground.
Okay, pioneers! Get to work!
Many of you were here last year, when we laid siege to Tobruk for 241 days. The British had plenty of time to bolster their defenses along the ridge outside of the city. However, due to our recent efforts, their forces are scattered, and they were not expecting us. It is now clear that storming Tobruk today was the correct move. We should be able to break through their first and second line of defenses with ease, forcing them to withdraw to the city. We will then advance and secure the roads leading out, trapping the British forces there. They will have no choice but to surrender. Mark my words, Tobruk's port and supply depots will finally be ours before the end of the morning. Mobilize the camera crews. Today we make history! A swift advance with our panzers is sure to break through their line. Cut through the trench to gain a foothold. Then watch as their front lines run.
Locked and loaded! Let's move! What do you need? On you! We're on it! Stay close! Panzer Pike, guys, that weapon! Come on around! Let's get to it!
On the double! Vehicle advancing on your coordinates! Eintrag abgeordnet! Sure! Jawohl! Get us there! Combat patrol! Consider it down!
Ready, grab your gear. We're heading out.
Incoming mortar fire! Light vehicle! Put off the gas!
Full arms fire!
Commandant!
Incoming fire! Coordinates received! This place!
Recon patrol! Get us moving! That's faster with paratroopers! Jawohl!
Our vehicle depot has been spotted by enemy forces.
Enemy Panzer field! Over! Over! Avoiding
Repairs needed. Grab your arc welder. We've done what we can. It's patched up.
Hey, Triotto moving!
Patched up.
Water vehicle depot under attack.
Fuck me! Here we go! Panzer Grenadiers ready!
Cut down!
It's patched up. Preparing Panzerarmee Command for construction.
Eintracht needs a target, Commandant. We're hunting
Want
target.
somewhere to be?
Eintracht needs a target,
We have a
Commandant.
heading. Men, with me. Orders.
Disabled tanks still litter the battlefield from last year's siege.
We're under fire!
Shall we recover them and give the British a taste of their own medicine?
Bring the vehicle down. Hurry away.
Just a flash wound! Keep going!
Loud and clear. Come on, fly by the vehicle. Get it firing immediately.
My crew is ready! Come! Vehicle here!
Panzerpioneers stand ready. Strip that wreck and stay low. Commander, don't you have pioneers for this?
Eintracht hunting!
Infantry kill. Army command constructed.
finished! Repairs completed! What do you want? Eintracht needs a target, Commandant. Eyes open. Infantry targets eliminated! What just mean?
Panzerpioneers
Enemy territory!
We have vehicles available in reserve.
Open fire!
Enemy patrol! Pioneer receiving you! Enemy troops have engaged! Move! Enemy down! Stand in our way! Commander! Out of the way! Fall back! Enemy troops taken down! Say the word! Territory locked down! Get through it, Panzer Grenadiers! Commandant! Orders? Working on it.
Watch your head! It's right about enemy infantry is no more! Building ready? Driver, back in your seat!
Going somewhere you need. Let's hold up and moving.
Come on, fight! Get us in here! We have work to do!
Take anything of value. We take it.
Starting requisition of light support elements.
Medium panzers ready! Open needs a target, Commandant! Hey, go! Get us there!
Ready. Willing and able. Have problems, we have answers. Panzer pioneers have finished our orders. Looking like a sweet deal now.
Research complete. Superior support weapons are available.
They're trying to bomb us down!
Attack the ground!
Infantry squad down!
Capture that point!
Fire on the target!
Control fire! That territory must be ours!
the big stick what we can!
It seems artillery is among the few things the British did have prepared today. We must deal with their artillery positions if we want to safely approach their headquarters.
Eintracht needs the target, Commandant. Eintracht needs the target. Capture order.
Orders incoming.
Commandant, we hear you. Can't win this forever. Back in your seat. We have hardly. Get us moving.
Panzer is moving.
LEIG indirect fire support reporting in. The munitions point is being taken from us.
You touching cloth or what? It's only fucking bollocks! Weapon in the field! Hunter defensive! Send for some fight! Infantry defeated! Say the word! Drive that weapon!
This could be useful.
Panzer looks like you had a lucky escape. Starting repairs. We've done what we can.
Ready on your word!
Repair that damage. Repairs completed. Repairs completed.
Command has seen fit to send us a Tiger tank. Perhaps Berlin has finally understood the importance of our sudden assault. Let us use it to break through the enemy lines.
Let them try. Tiger confirms! You have a target! Fire! Enemy infantry eliminated!
This war on our asses.
Grab your gear. We're heading out.
Receiving a machine gewehr.
What will it be?
Eintracht needs the target,
Orders
Commandant.
incoming. The Fox's finest here.
Control order.
Awaiting a move! Move into
Vehicle
position!
ready. Take the double.
We'll get it done.
Eintracht needs the target. Advancing on your coordinates.
Anything of value. Problems and we have answers.
You have something take possession. We can do with get the engine running. Ready, locked and loaded. Let's move.
It's just like the airboating, eh?
Will be done. In order.
Panzer pioneers have been our orders.
Get the engine running.
We await orders.
Weapon appendix to your great one! Infanteriegeschütz awaiting orders! Fixed ground! AG barrage!
Let's see what we can do with the engine running.
A resourceful strategy, as always.
Eintracht needs the target.
These heavy
Commandant.
tanks will work well as the spirit of our assault on Tobruk.
Anyone see the target? Anyone? Where's the target? Await orders. Those are coming close.
And infantry gear. Regain the line.
We trade for this. Don't let that infantry go.
Assault grenadiers are reporting in!
Moving into skirmish formation. Ready for orders. Loud and clear, Commandant. Commander! Now don't do it again. Follow me. Jawohl! Push up!
should hold you for now. That should hold you for now.
Ready, willing and able. It's secure.
Initiate repairs.
Infanteriegeschütz, awaiting orders. Enemy mortar team ahead.
Down and clear.
Order never had a seat.
What hit to him? Give it to me. Roll over everything! Fire!
Enemy mortar three looking for Germans! Move orders! Eye on the approach! Enemy infantry giving us the wall breakout! Let's recharge! Don't wait for permission! Dragon drive! Advance!
Neutralize that location. Follow my lead.
They are down to the last few emplacements. Maintain pressure. Do not give them time to breathe.
They're pissed! Tower was closed! Our own tower engaged!
Infantry failed. Jawohl. Orders.
Stuka circling the target!
Ready, willing and able. Panzer Grenadiers confirmed. My Panzer Grenadiers are on it.
Territory secure. All quiet.
On me. Quickly now.
Protecting our assets.
Losing elevation! Call up!
Ready for orders.
Looks like you had a lucky escape. Starting repairs.
Eager to go. Fuck, this is
They're
heavy.
hitting us! Engine burning!
Repairs needed. Grab your arc welder.
You have something for us? Volunteers for the Granatwerfer?
Follow me.
Repairs completed.
Let's make it personal.
Panzer fire! Clear the breach! Load AP!
Panzer Grenadiers, repair what you can.
That
We need to
should
get it
hold you
moving.
for now. Fix it what we can.
Infanteriegeschütz, awaiting orders. Enemy barrage. Let's keep the pressure on.
needs the target, Commandant.
This will hold you for a while.
We're not expecting trouble. Vehicle advancing on your coordinates. Jawohl, we have a target. Fire! Under fire! Under heavy fire! Where's the fighting beacon?
Panzer 3 is awaiting orders.
Back up, driver! They're behind us!
Traverse! Stay on the track!
Good discipline, soldiers.
Side armor! They're hitting us! Reload! Drive or die!
Panzer Grenadiers, follow the orders.
Jawohl. Orders. Securing resources.
They're eager to move!
Panzer Grenadiers ready. We shall that down. Don't you have pioneers for this?
The man hit me!
Make it quick.
Repairs completed.
Captain.
Fox's finest. Here, beginning from
Fire
battery
ready.
repairs.
Patch up!
We're moving to capture.
We're moving on patrol. Just like the new
This will hold us for a while.
Location must be ours. I want to find the British clear out the point.
What we can!
We kill this squad of infantry.
Securing enemy ground!
Let's fix what you can! Get
Come on now! Don't you have pioneers for this?
Select the leaderships. Awaiting orders.
Command faster! Now don't do it again! Ready on your... Repair that damage.
You have something for us? This will hold
What
you
do
for
you
a
need?
while. We've laid claim to this
Outstanding! Their proper defenses are gone, and it is only a matter of time before the British resistance completely crumbles away. Eliminate any remaining troops and mobilize for the advance on the city.
Needs the target.
Beginning rudimentary repairs. Orders in. Repair what you can. We need to get it moving.
Only a handful of Allied troops remain.
pioneers
I do not
standing
expect
by.
them to
This will
try
hold
to
you
hold
for
their
a while.
position at this point. We must instead prevent their armor from escaping.
Mines here. Grab them.
Hunter has a location!
Six!
Their stragglers have regrouped to the west of Tobruk to attempt an escape. Intercept them before they can break out and rejoin the main British force to the east.
I'm safe. Right where you are.
What do you need? We'll get there! Give us order!
Excellent! The artillery has been removed from the equation. We are free to advance through the city uncontested.
Watch your heads. This raid's about to get rough.
Repair what you can. We need to get it moving.
We're listening.
You have tooled up and moving.
That'll get you back into the race. Repairs completed. Ready. Filling enabled.
Ready for orders.
Orders?
It's patched up.
Laying mines here. Prep them. Laying mines here. Prep them. Prep. Get moving. Quick march. What do you need?
Assault grenadiers have been assigned.
Laying mines here. Prep them. Laying mines here. Prep them.
We're moving. Back in your seats.
Standing
No complaints from us. Understood, Commandant.
You have something for us? Now we wait. Soldiers, clear the road.
Commandant. Good job, we're patient men.
Mine's late.
Right where you asked. Okay, it's planted. Pass well down the line.
Get this panzer rolling. We're not expecting trouble, right? Panzer confirmed.
Sources liberated. Minefield completed. Now we wait.
Got anything for... Come on, men.
The Fox's finest. Keep Locked and loaded. Let's move.
Mines laid. Right where you asked.
Everything in order? Forward then.
We're moving.
Panzer Pioneer standing by. Minefield completed. Now we wait.
Needs a target, Commandant.
Mines laid. Right where you asked. Okay, it's planted. Pass word down the line. Panzer Pioneers standing by. Laying mines here. Prep them. Minefield completed. Now we wait.
Assault Grenadiers here.
The Fox's finest here.
Assault Grenadiers here.
Okay, it's planted. Pass word
Securing
down the
the
line.
pack. Assault new coordinates.
Let's through
Follow
here.
me. Assault
Mines laid.
Grenadiers here.
Right where you asked. Defensive position completed. Ready on your word. Start filling those sacks. Mines laid. Right where you asked. Make it quick. Laying mines here. Prep them. Laying mines here. Prep them. Okay, it's planted. Pass word down the line.
You need a heavy panzer?
Fusion ready.
Ready. Willing and able.
Minefield completed. Now we wait.
Panzer Grenadiers, Panzer Grenadiers relocating.
Confirming orders.
What do you need? Okay, it's planted. Pass word down the line. Your sandbag wall is finished. Minefield completed. Now we wait.
Jawohl. Anything exciting out there?
Mines laid. Right where you asked. Mines laid. Right where you asked. Grab your gear. We're heading out. Boys, we have movement orders.
British convoys are mobilizing. We cannot let their tanks escape!
You have something for us?
Eager to get moving.
Looks like you had a lucky escape. Starting repairs. Orders? We'll get it fixed. Right, boys? Repairs completed. We've done what we can.
Well done! Thanks to our efforts, they were unable to escape.
We've done what we can.
Ready for orders. Orders incoming.
It appears we have another convoy attempting a
We've done
breakout.
what we can.
Engage them before they are gone!
Adrian needs a target, Commandant.
Panzer Grenadiers standing by.
We've done what we can. We have answers.
The Fox's finest here.
Orders? Laying mines here. Prep them. You have problems. We have answers. Moving. Panzer Pioneer standing by. Reload!
Another convoy destroyed. Excellent! Yet another group of British vehicles is on the move across this city. Stop them!
Okay, it's planted. Pass word down the line. Laying mines here. Prep them. Minefield completed. Now we wait. Okay, it's planted. Pass word down the line.
Taking fire from
Working
Panzers
on
here!
it. This is it, boys. What do you need? Jawohl. Let's go.
Keep firing! Don't get distracted!
Panzergrenadiers ready! Make it quick! Panzer Pioneers confirmed. Ready on your word. Start filling those sacks.
We are dealing heavy losses to the enemy. Let us keep it that way.
This isn't right! Fall back!
Panzer Pioneers, stand ready!
Live to fight another day!
Another
Stand back
convoy.
position done.
This must be their last. Do not let them escape.
Stay close!
Deal what you can! Deal with what you can't!
Ready for orders.
Panzer Pioneers standing by.
Ready. Willing and able. You have something for us?
We're listening. Look lively. Group orders.
Ready on your work. The Kriegsmarine is looking like a sweet deal now.
Tiger reporting.
Loud and clear! Repair work! Now! Pionier are receiving you!
Now! A simple task for us!
Orders!
Enemy infantry met their match!
A British convoy's desperate attempt to leave Tobruk has been foiled. How ironic. Impeccable. Better dealing with them here rather than facing them again in another battle.
You have problems, we have answers. Laying mines here. Grab them.
Gentlemen, thanks to you, a city that was once under siege for 241 days has fallen in one morning. Today we have proven our tactical superiority to the British, and Berlin will recognize our strategic brilliance. We have gained not only a valuable harbor with precious supplies, but also the upper hand on this entire theater. A monumental victory.
By the time Rommel reached Tobruk, we were at our breaking point. The British commanders underestimated how weak their army was and didn't have the experience to withstand Rommel's assault. The Germans took over 30,000 prisoners. In the aftermath, our officers outlawed any mention of the German commander. The wily desert fox had become a bogeyman to be feared. But there were people who refused to be intimidated, and they fought back, in the desert and in Benghazi.
إبا اتقفى قدام إلى الماء سلاح إنا دا تبريس أرفلس سولن تسحبها تنا تبرين رفحا بحران للالمان تناي إما إقساس غيغ أنرول ولاني نكي والريح هدفته ورد زك عفا قايبة هركم تريح سليمة